Hi, it's Mike DelSignore. Finished up court here at the South Boston Division, the Boston Municipal Court, on an OUI case, and wanted to talk about some things people should know if they're arrested for OUI and the case is brought here. Keep in mind that when you're charged with OUI, your first court date is going to be arraignment. It's not the trial. Some people think that the first court date they're going to need all their witnesses and evidence, but it's the arraignment. You'll be formally notified of the charges, and you'll get another date to come back, typically in 4 to 6 weeks for what they call pretrial hearing. So even your next date's not a trial. It takes a few court dates to get to a trial, and part of that is because you might need time to gather evidence of your own. The government will need time to provide you with whatever evidence they need in order to provide you all the information you're entitled to defend the case. So keep in mind it's somewhat of a slow process. After 30 days, you can get your full license back. If you take a breathalyzer, if you refuse the test, you're suspended for 6 months. But if you're found not guilty, there's a presumption of reinstatement, and you can get reinstated once the 6 months ends. Or if you're found not guilty, you can get reinstated again at that time. So cases here, there's no jury session, so a lot of times they'll get transferred to Boston Central Division for trial. So that's sort of the steps, the process. It can be a little slow, so hang in there. A lot of these cases are not guilty. They're very subjective cases. It depends on an officer's testimony that you were impaired, and that's an opinion, and opinions can be wrong. Just as an officer, anyone's opinion can be wrong. Police officers certainly jump to the gun. They rush to judgment. They're under a lot of pressure to make a quick decision on the side of the road. They don't want to be there. It's dangerous. It's dark. But in court, things are more deliberate. They're going to have proof to the highest degree of certainty beyond a reasonable doubt. So if you have an OUI charge in Boston or South Boston Court, feel free to call me. My name is Michael DelSignore. I handle cases out of this court and every court in Massachusetts all the time. I'd be happy to help you out.